Inspired by the stylish and functional design of the OneGo backpack, we designed the OneGo Shoulder bag and the OneGo Solo Sling, offering multiple on-the-go carrying options for photographers. The OneGo Shoulder bag is available in 6-liter and 10-liter sizes. Whether you're shooting, vlogging, or traveling, this bag makes it easy to capture the moment. OneGo Solo combines a compact design with a functional layout perfect for shooting, commuting, and keeping your tech organized. The clamshell opening of the OneGo Shoulder bag gives you fast access to your gear. The customizable dividers and thoughtful organization adapt to your travel needs. Just slide the adjuster with one hand to tighten or loosen the strap. The flexible attachment makes carrying this bag super comfortable. The magnetic badge serves as a battery power indicator and quick-release wrench. The external side pocket stows a water bottle. Use the bottom external strap to secure a tripod. The creative foldable design compresses fully to store the bag in your travel suitcase. The 10-liter bag features a built-in hard-shell case that is perfect for your sunglasses, tiny fragile items, and digital accessories. The dedicated laptop compartment fits a 13.3-inch laptop. Secure the sternum strap when you go cycling. OneGo Solo is made to carry and protect your everyday stuff or camera gear. The customizable dividers create an ideal interior for your tech gear, Mavic Mini, and everyday essentials. Use the front pocket to store your water bottle and bottom adjustable strap to carry a tripod. The convenient back pocket lets you store your phone when needed and comes with a charging port on the side. OneGo bags use a high-performance anti-scratch PU coating that is fully water-resistant. We only use durable YKK zippers and offer a limited lifetime warranty service. Welcome to OneGo series, where function meets style, perfect for your professional and daily needs.